Let's see how you can create presentation on LearniCo. Whenever you log in as a teacher on LearniCo, you will redirect to this dashboard. To create a new presentation, click on Teaching Plan. Find the subject and click. In this case, we are going to make a presentation for Basic Electronic Laboratory. Let's create presentation for Unit 1 Logic Gate. To create presentation, click on Add Presentation. Superpoint window will open up. Let's understand some basic tools. Under the Home tab, three main options are available. Add layout. In this tool, you can add different type of slide layouts. In Question tool, you can add different type of question like fill in the blanks, true and false, etc. And you can add different types of games over here. Under the Insert tab, you can add text box, table, shapes, images and drawings on your presentation. Under the Format tab, you can edit elements in the slide. Let's create a presentation. Let's add a question in slide 4. Which type of question you want to add? I want to add fill in the blanks question type. To add question, click on Create New Question. First, add the options. You can add bucket if required. Bucket is nothing but set of options. So you have to put correct answers in correct bucket and wrong answers in incorrect bucket. After adding options, you can add question and click on next. After next, you will see the preview of question. Create true and false question. In this case, type a question first and then add options in appropriate bucket. Complete the remaining slides in the same way. Let's create new type of question, MCQ single. In this case, add options first, then add question. After adding answers, add appropriate answers in respective bucket. Now, MCQ single type question is ready. Let's create MCQ multiple type question. With the same procedure, first add option, then add question. Now you can see the preview of MCQ multiple type question on your screen. Click on Save and exit the presentation. Now you can see your presentation under Presentation tab is ready. There is another available option for making presentation. You can directly add your PowerPoint presentation in Superpoint. But make sure you can add only the informative content like text, images, etc. After opening up Superpoint Studio, import presentation from here. Browse PPT file in your computer and click on Import. Now you can see your presentation is open in Superpoint. In this way, you can create beautiful presentation in Superpoint Studio. Thank you.